Our lesson number 6 is continued. Today we shall complete its explanation. In the previous lecture, I explained you that Maddie and Peggy wrote a friendly letter to Wanda, but there was no answer for days. On the last day of the school, before Christmas holidays, teacher told the class that she has got a letter from Wanda, and she had written that the girls could keep the designs of 100 dresses drawn by her. She had wished that green dress to be given to Peggy and the blue to Maddie. So they got the dresses as desired by Wanda. On returning back home after the school, Peggy and Maddie had their drawings very carefully. They held their drawings very carefully. Every house was decorated Christmas days, so every house was decorated. Peggy said to Maddie that this shows that Wanda really likes us. That's why she has given the answer and she has wished to give the dresses to us. Maddie answered very sadly. She was sad because she won't be able to meet Wanda now, to see Wanda now, and could not make things right between them. She was thinking this. Now we proceed further. Page number 78. We did up to this, make things right between them. She went home and she pinned her drawing over a torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper in the bedroom. She reaches home and her bedroom, there is the wallpaper, and from one place that is torn, torn means fata hua hai, torn place in the pink flowered. The wallpaper is pink, flowered. What she did? The shabby room came alive from the brilliancy of the colors. She pinned that dress which she got at the place from where the wallpaper was torn. After that, this poor looking, this dim looking, this shabby looking, dull looking room became alive, full of life. Why? Because of the brilliancy of the colors which were filled in that design. Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. She sat down at her bed and intently looked towards that picture. She had stood by and said nothing, but Wanda had been nice to her anyway. What she is thinking, that I always stood silently when others make fun of her, but she had been very nice to us because she has given the answer and now she has recommended to give the dresses also. Tears blurred her eyes and she gazed for a long time at the picture. Gazed here means looked steadily, looked fixedly, लगातार देखा. Blurred, blurred means that makes less clear to us. Tears blurred her eyes. There were tears in her eyes. So visibility was not clear due to tears, but she gazed for a long time at the picture. She looked at the picture for a long time. Then hastily here means then quickly, she rubbed her eyes and studied intently. Intently means carefully. Then she rubbed the tears and rubbed the eyes and looked at the picture very carefully. The colors in the dress were so vivid. Vivid means clear. So vivid that she had scarcely means hardly, noticed the face and head of the drawing. So, colors were so bright that she had not seen that in the picture her own head, her own face was drawn. But it looked like her, Maddie, it really looked like her own mouth. What she observed with full attention, clearly she saw, she looked her own face, it really looked like her own mouth. Why it really looked like her own self? Wanda had really drawn this for her. Now she concluded that this dress design was really made for me. Excitedly here means anxiously, very eagerly, excitedly she ran over to Peggy's. She ran over to Peggy's house. Peg, she said, let me see your picture. Show me your picture. What's the matter? Asked Peggy. Peggy asked, what's the matter? Why you are so eager? As they clattered up here means moved rapidly, rattled up to her room where Wanda's drawing was laying face down on the bed. How she kept that design? Upside was down. So, Peggy has kept face down on the bed. Maddie carefully raised it. What Maddie did? She raised that picture, she turned it. Look, she drew you, that is you, she exclaimed, and the head and face of this picture did look like Peggy. And they observed that this picture was really designed for Peggy, as there was a face and head of Peggy. What did I say? Said Peggy. She must have really liked us anyway. She has drawn our faces in the picture also. So, we can say that she really liked us. Yes, she must have agreed, Maddie. Now, Maddie agreed. Yes, she must have liked us. And she blinked away the tears. Blinked away, prevent away. Blinked away, you can say winked away. The tears that came every time she thought of Wanda standing alone in that sunny spot in the school yard. She winked those tears which usually came when she thought that Wanda is standing where? Alone. She is alone in that sunny spot in the school yard. After the school, you can say they used to tease her, looking stolidly means unemotionally over at the group of laughing girls. She used to see them unemotionally in a dull way. After she had walked off, after she had sure 100 of them all lined up, the only answer she used to give was that yes, she had the 100 dresses all lined up in her cupboard. So, this was a thought that usually came to Maddie's mind, but now what she did? She winked the tears that used to come. That was all in this lesson. I have explained the lesson fully to you. Now, we come to the 3 questions, oral comprehension check questions here given. What did the girls write to Wanda? Maddie and Peggy both wrote a friendly letter. What they wrote in it? They wrote that she had won the drawing competition. They praised her drawings. They praised her drawing skill. They also asked her about her new school and the new teacher. Question number 2. Did they get a reply? Who was more anxious for a reply? Peggy or Maddie? How do you know? The question is in 3 parts. First is, did they get a reply? Its answer is neither Peggy nor Maddie got the reply. for days. The reply to their letter, how they got the answer? The reply to their letter came as a letter to the teacher. So, second part, who was more anxious for a reply? Maddie was more anxious for a reply. Then third part, how do you know? Maddie was upset and feeling sad for Wanda. She used to have sleepless nights. She awaited the letter. Peggy had started forgetting her. Question number 3. How did the girls know that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her? Wanda wrote a letter and asked with what she said. She also wished, she wrote to her teacher to give green dress with red trimmings to Peggy and blue one to Maddie. She had even drawn their faces in the painting of dresses they got. When they saw their own faces in these drawings, they came to know about Wanda's love and believed she liked them. In the previous lecture, I also gave you certain questions made from page number 77. I hope you all must have done the homework, and I am here giving you the answers of those questions. You can tally your homework to what extent you have done it accurately. Your first question was, who wrote the letter to whom? Peggy and Maddie wrote the letter to whom? It was written to Wanda. Question number 2, did they get any reply very soon? No, they did not get any reply for weeks. Question number 3, what made them think that Wanda had received the letter when their letter written to Wanda did not come back to them? They thought that Wanda had received the letter. Question number 4, why did they think that Wanda was not going to answer their letter? They thought so because they felt that Wanda was hurt and was angry with them. Question number 5, how did Peggy react to delay in Wanda's reply? Peggy did not bother much. She began to forget about the incident. Then, question number 6, what was thought out by Maddie at night? How she would defend Wanda from other girls. This was a thought for the whole night. Rather, you can add, she used to make speeches, how she would defend Wanda. Question number 7, what did the teacher show the class on the last day of school before the holidays? So, on the last day, teacher showed a letter that she received from Wanda. Question number 8, find out the word which means made something more attractive. For this, the word is decorated. So, check your work. 3 questions I have explained you. Write the answers in your notebooks. Don't forget to learn the questions, have reading of the lesson again, and do your work properly. Thank you.